Because
Why
it
is the
doesn't.
Quran
Because it doesn't
No,
exist.
don't stop me,
Wait,
don't
you
stop me.
asked me a question.
Don't
You asked,
stop me.
wait. You asked me a
Rhetoric
question.
I don't
You
expect
asked me a
response from
question. You
It's a
asked me a
rhetoric
question. I'm gonna answer now. Number one, I want the whole house to know that when you are reading English Quran, any words you see in brackets does not exist in the Arabic translation. In fact, let me bring an Arabic speaker. I'm gonna invite an Arabic speaker right now to come and read the ayah for us in Arabic and confirm that anything inside the English translation in the Quran, anything in brackets inside the Quran does not exist in the Arabic.
You can see now that you don't have that temperament to do the
Oh, can you please? MS Baba, this is a waste of fucking time, man.
Let me answer you. Don't run away. Ninu question nye, Quran is not translated into English alone. We don't understand Quran alone as the only source of understanding in Islam. Whatever you see in the Quran, you compare it with other verses and also the explanation of the Prophet Muhammad to understand whatever you read in the Quran. Exactly.
Otherwise, you have the power. So
doesn't answer the question. You see,
if it doesn't behave well, you know the right thing to do. Just follow your mind. So if you still want to continue with him, then continue.
All right. So we're going to try again. Thank you for all that lecture. That was absolute nonsense. You did not answer the question. So this ayah, excuse me, sir. This is your last warning. Please, I need to advise everyone. Stop. Excuse me. Can you stay muted? Look, I need to remind you that on this panel, women are in charge of men. Repeat after me. Women are in charge of men on this panel.
Yes,
we bring you into the world. We give you life, so we are in charge. So when I'm speaking, excuse me, sir, don't be childish. You got a whole wife at home. If this is how your wife has to, if this is what your wife has to endure, I don't get it.
No, let me answer you. The question.
I'm gonna repeat my question again because you haven't answered. In this ayah, it says that you can beat your wife. Can you please highlight to the whole room, how does this show that women have rights in Islam using this particular ayah? Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. One of the ways of showing that women have rights in Islam, looking at that verse, look at from the beginning of that verse, what did you read? Ọlọ́run bá lékelá ní ar-rijalu qawwamuna 'ala an-nisa. Àwọn ọkùnrin ní aláṣẹ lórí àwọn obìnrin. Bima faddala Allahu ba'dahum 'ala ba'din. Bọ́lọ́run ṣe ti fọ́lá fáwọn kan lórí àwọn kejì. Wa bima anfaqu min amwalihim. Àti bí wọ́n ṣe máa ná lórí wọn. One of the things tó ń show bí obìnrin bó ṣe pàtàkì nínú Islam tó nínú verse yìí lásán. I'm not going to other verses. So the same verse yìí ni wípé àwọn ọkùnrin yẹn á máa take care àwọn obìnrin. Wọn ò ní kóbìnrin máa take care ọkùnrin. In the past, ní West ń bí báyìí, àwọn obìnrin ni wọ́n ń ṣiṣẹ́ fáwọn ọkùnrin. Ní ayé Ànábì, àyà yìí ń sọ fún wa wípé ọkùnrin ló gbọ́dọ̀ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ láti take care obìnrin. Lára dáadáa tí Muhammad mú wá nínú verse yìí, this same verse, wa bima anfaqu min amwalihim. Ọkùnrin ló gbọ́dọ̀ lọ struggle, not 50-50 that some of you are doing with husband and wife. Nínú Islam, ọkùnrin ló máa lọ ṣiṣẹ́ àforíjágbó. Kò ní sọ pé 50-50 ni in the house to share bills with the wife. No. This is one of the things Steve
Mr. Triple A, please just pause. Wait, pause for 1 second. This is really important. For now, wait. I'm moderating. Wait. It's important. So, Triple A, I've invited my friend. Relax. Can you relax, please? For fuck's sake, relax now. I've invited my friend here. She's an Arabic speaker. So when you're speaking, can we just try and speak in English because she doesn't speak Yoruba, okay? So she speaks Arabic, she speaks English. So for now, whatever you're saying, just for the sake of everyone, that's here, can we just do, MS Baba, I hope you don't mind. Let's just do English shortly, okay? So that Razan can understand what you're saying. And Razan is an Arabic speaker as well. So I've brought her up for that reason. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. So
what do you want to help with, Shola?
No, please let me go on. I'm explaining the verse. So Allah says in this verse, وَبِمَا أَنفَقُوا مِنْ أَمْوَالِهِمْ, and with what they spend out of their wealth on their women. So it shows clearly from this verse that it's one of the beauty that a woman has in Islam is that they are to be spent on. They are to be catered for by their husbands. That is the first point you have
Khadija
in that
catered
verse.
for Muhammad. Khadija catered for
No,
Muhammad.
don't cut me.
Does she have the right to beat him? No, I'm asking.
Don't cut me.
All right.
Don't cut me. I'm going to answer all your questions.
Can you just wrap it up, please?
Okay.
Please. Yeah, don't talk a lot. Just wrap it up.
No. So I've just explained that. So then you
didn't answer my question. If Khadija, she's the one. If Khadija, she was richer. If we have women who has more money than the men, does that mean the women has the right to beat their husbands if they fear disobedience? Because Khadija, hold on, Khadija was the breadwinner. Hold on, Khadija was the breadwinner of the household, and she was rich, and she paid Muhammad his house. She was his sugar mother. So yeah.
What is your name? I did not prepare to talk to you. So if you have a side question to ask me, you
were dancing around. Can you point? Can you point at the word lightly in the Quran, please?
Okay.
Where does it say lightly in the Quran?
No. Why will you say in the Quran?
No. You said to Jubal. You said to mommy. You said to.
Hold on.
No. Why you insult me? Why you insult me right now? Why you insult me and call me a Muslim right now? Sir, I didn't insult you. Please don't insult me. Now, again, where does it say lightly in the verse, please? Can you... No. You told her. No. You told her that the word lightly exists in the verse. Where does it exist in the verse?
Okay. I'm saying.
No. Can you point at it? Can you point it?
Let me answer you. You ask
1 second, MS Baba. Can we get the Arabic? 1 second. AAA. Wait.
No.
Wait. AAA. 1 second. So this is the Arabic. MS Baba. Emuvu olori burukuni Allah. Emuvu kini. Yeah. Thank you. Now, can you show us in the Arabic where it says lightly?
Say lightly.
It is in the Hadith. Why can't you listen and hear me? It is in the Hadith.
You said you protested. Hold on. No. You're lying right now. You protested when she read the in English and she skipped the word lightly. You told her why didn't she read the word lightly? She told you the word lightly does not exist in the verse. So now I am asking you, can you please point the word lightly in the verse? Thank you. Point it, please.
There is lightly there. There is lightly there. In what she was reading.
Okay, read it. In Arabic, where does it say lightly?
She was not reading Arabic. Was she reading Arabic?
Where does it say? No, she was reading in English and it was... No.
And I told
the Quran is in Arabic.
English test, there is lightly there. Why didn't she read that lightly?
Is this Mumu okay? Or this Mumu is a product
this
of...
This one is a big Mumu.
Can you see? I got you. I got you now. You are running away. She was reading English.
Where does it say lightly?
In that English?
Where? No. The reason why she didn't read... shut the hell up, man. Shut the hell up. Man, shut the hell up. She didn't read... She didn't read the word lightly because it does not exist in the verse of the Quran.
Was she reading the verse?
She tried to read...
She was reading English.
She was trying to read the verse as it is, as close to the Arabic as possible. Again, please, sir.
Let me answer.
Can you point? Hold on. No. I didn't even ask the question. I didn't even ask. Can you please point the word lightly in the Arabic verse, please? You have the Arabic in front of you. Please do not dance.
Can you now listen to me?
Point at it. Point.
Okay, now listen to me.
Point.
In the Quran is in the Quran that we get tafsir of the Quran in the Hadith.
So it's in the tafsir. It's not in the verse, right? It's in the tafsir. It's not in the verse.
Hey, Mumu lady.
Correct. So now we are getting somewhere. After some dancing to do. It does not. The word lightly. The word lightly does not exist in the verse. It exists in the tafsir.
I got you guys.
Oh my God, he's so
dumb. You were just trying to be cunning. I got you guys. So because she was reading
got a rat, man.
and they
triple,
wrote
triple.
I was saying, why didn't she?
Triple. Enough. MS Baba, this is the last chance. If he doesn't engage, I'm speaking. Don't speak over the fucking queen now. Now, MS Baba, the reason as to why, you can laugh, you can mute and laugh in front of your wife's face. Don't unmute. Thank you very much. The reason as to why I didn't use the word lightly is because I've done this for 4 good years. I know that lightly does not exist in the Arabic. And this is why it's important to go to Arabic speakers, because what they are doing in the English translation is that they are sugarcoating it. Now, Triple A, you've accused me. I'm not finished. Let me finish. Thank you. I'm not finished. Put that muzzle on your mouth. Thank you. Now, can you please show us in the Arabic, MS Baba can highlight it, where it says the word lightly? Just point to us. Razan can understand Arabic. She will confirm whether it says it or not. Thank you. Show us which part says lightly.
Will you listen to me now? I want to show you where it is in the Quran. That what we need to understand in the Quran, we go to Hadith to understand it. Times without
in the Quran. Guys, it's not in the Quran.
No, don't stop me now. Don't stop me. Dude. Don't stop me. One of you guys, I was listening to one of you guys yesterday.
This is exactly what I mean. It does not exist in the Quran, dude.
You went to Hadith to explain the verse. Why are you not explaining it?
Dude, it does not exist in the Quran. Oh my God, this guy is embarrassing. Embarrassing.
No, it's not embarrassing. It's because you are just trying to be.
Because it doesn't say lightly in the verse, which you may hold on. What you want to say? No, it's not in the. It's not in the hadith. Listen. It's not in the hadith. Hold on. No. It's in the tafsir. It's in the tafsir of the verse. So if a part. Shush. I will explain.
Is it?
Shush. I will explain. It's not in the Quran. It's in the tafsir. What is your name? My name is Aisha.
Aisha. What is? What is? ضربا غير مبرح.
Yes, that's in the tafsir. That's in the tafsir, not in the verse.
That is hadith. That is hadith. Is the atheism that is wrong with you?
Is it in the Quran?
Yes.
No, it's not in the Quran
that you should follow the hadith. Is in the Quran that you should follow
hadith. It's not in the Quran,
so I'm putting hadith to explain this to you, and you don't want to listen. God. Can you see?
It's not in the Quran, but when you go to the tafsir of the verse, then it will describe to you in detail how to beat the woman. For example, you shouldn't beat her face, but the word lightly does not exist in the verse itself. So you need to hold on. I am not done. You interrupted every single one of us. You interrupted every and spoke.
Okay, now I will allow you to
so
talk.
Hold on. I am not done yet. Hold on. If you are a Quran only Muslim and you don't read or take the hadith and the tafsir, this ayah will be very problematic because it does not say the word lightly in it. It just says, if you fear disobedience from your wife, advise them, first seek them in bed and beat them. It does not say how to beat them in the verse. How to beat exists. Hold on. How to beat exists in the tafsir of the verse. Okay, can we agree on this?
Yes. Now let me teach you, Aisha.
After
Aisha,
an hour.
Listen. Don't stop me now. Let me teach you now. Now, see what you've now read in the Quran. Anything you read in the Quran, you need the hadith to understand the full meaning of what the verse is saying. That is Islam for you. You cannot be using hadith in some cases and refuse to use it in another case. In this case, should not be an exception.
No, you said the word lightly in the Quran.
I should not, but I did not talk. Listen to me.
Your problem is you said.
Let me finish.
You said the word lightly in the Quran.
I am the one talking.
You're a liar. You're a liar because the word lightly does not exist in the verse. It exists. No, it doesn't even exist in the lightly. It doesn't even exist in the. It's in the explanation of the verse. It tells you how to beat the woman, but the word lightly does not exist in the ayah. does not exist in the ayah.
I agree
No,
with
you
with
didn't
that.
agree, and you protested,
Listen.
and you said to Jibola, to mommy,
No, because
and you
I
told her,
actually-
why
I
didn't she read
exposed-
the word
I
lightly?
exposed you guys
No,
here. I
because the
exposed you
word
guys.
lightly does not exist in the verse. Stop
But
lying,
it
man.
exists in the hadith. Except
It
you
does not
prove to
exist
me
in the verse.
that you
Is he
don't accept the
stupid?
hadith. Do you accept
Is
the
he
hadith or not?
stupid?
Do
I
you
don't accept
accept
it.
the hadith
No,
or not?
no, I wipe my nyash with these things. I don't accept anything.
You don't accept anything. So why
No.
you arguing about what you don't accept? So if you
Because
don't
you're a
accept
liar.
in
Because you're a
Islam,
liar. You
I'm
said to
explaining
her,
Islam to you,
you
because
are a
Islam is
liar.
based on Quran and hadith.
Yeah, yeah,
And
I
I'm
know,
now
but you're a
explaining to you,
liar.
and
You're a
you're arguing
liar.
on what you don't know.
Yeah, but you're
You're
a
arguing
liar.
on what
You
you don't
told
know.
her. This man is seriously brain damaged.
أنا
Jibola.
سأعلمك ما لم تعلمين.
لا تعلمني ماذا تحط اصبعك في طيزك فيكون هذا تعليم ابدا لك.
الآن اقرأي القرآن.
اذا حط اصبعك في طيزك لكي تتعلم التعليم الكويس.
قال الله عن هذه
لا
الآية.
تتكلم معي، اوكي؟ لا تتكلم معي باللغة العربية الفصحى.
أنا أكلم
اوكي؟
وأعلم
لا تعلم ماذا؟ أنت جاهل.
Okay,
أنت جاهل
okay.
أحمق.
جاهل.
أنت جاهل أحمق.
One second, guys. One second, guys. One second, guys. One second, guys. So triple A. One second. One second. Triple A. Have you noticed one thing about you? You suck at following simple instructions. Okay.
No,
so I'm
because
speaking. speaking. Hush up. Put that muzzle on your mouth. Muzzle. You didn't expose anything. Now, initially, when I read this verse, I missed out the lightly, because I know muzzle yourself, control your emotions. And they say women are emotional. Look at this man. The whole time we've been here, almost 1 hour, he has no emotional control whatsoever. And these are the men that want women to submit to them. Now, as I was saying, the word lightly doesn't exist in the Arabic. I've not gone to the tafsir. Triple A, can you muzzle yourself? This is the last warning. I'm not going to treat you like a 5-year-old. If you can't behave, you get the fuck out of here. Do you understand? Enough is enough. You know what? Go and suck Anobi's bola in the comment section. Thank you very much. Suck it nice and wet and dry. I've had enough. Now, guys, pay attention to what's going on here. Let me tell you what's going on. I read this ayah. I missed out the... Guys, please pay attention. This is very important. Anywhere in the English translation, you see anything in brackets, it does not exist in the Arabic. I'm not denying the tafsir. When you go into the tafsir, that's when the tafsir tells you how to beat them. It doesn't exist at all in the English translation. Triple A, you need to learn emotional control. Triple A, your religion says that women are emotional and we are deficient in mind. That's what your religion says. But look at the way you've conducted yourself like one Kwasia Sem Olori Buruku. The way you've conducted yourself. Next time you want to come for a debate, make sure you're well prepared. Make sure you learn some manners in your masjid, and then you come and chat to us. Because me, I give energy for energy. If you come up, you're respectful, you will get the respect. You were trying to compare me to your wife. You said, I have a wife at home. I feel sorry for your wife. Because if you cannot let any woman get a word in, imagine how you treat your wife. Any woman get... Who's brought it? Please don't bring him back up. Please, moderators, please don't bring him back up. He's not ready for the conversation. Don't bring him back up. Drop his nyash. One-way ticket to Jahannam. Please send him off. Send him on a trip. Now, Sheikh, Triple A. Conduct yourself. Learn your manners. Exactly. Maybe he's even married a 9-year-old like Muhammad. Who knows? That's why he wants me to be childish like his wife. He wants me to treat him like his wife. This guy has married a 9-year-old. They are following the footsteps of the prophet. Please, I beg. If you want to come up and engage with us properly. Enough is enough. You conceded with Razan that, yes, she's right. Lightly doesn't exist in the Arabic. That's the point I was trying to prove.
Wallah, he was attacking you because you left out, when you were reading the English, you left out the word lightly. And he was attacking you for it. And I was like, okay, then point it out. It does not exist in the Arabic verse. Then he says, no, it exists in the hadith. I was like, but that's the whole point. It does not exist in the Arabic verse. So if you're a Quran-only Muslim, you can beat your wife as much as you want. Now, in the tafsir, which is the explanation, which is the scholarly explanation of the verse, it gives you instructions, step-by-step program, how to beat your wife. For example, do not break her bones, and do not like deform her face. Like when you beat her, don't break her teeth, for example. But the beating is beating. The whole purpose of the beating is to discipline her and control her emotionally and psychologically so that she fears you. That's the whole point. By the way, if you want, I can bring you hadith where Prophet Muhammad said, hang the whip inside of the household. And if you read the tafsir of this hadith, it says, it's authentic hadith, by the way, it says that because you have slaves and you have women and children inside of the household, and your job as a man to use violence to discipline your household. That's the whole point, because in Islam, using physical violence is permissible. It is okay in Islam to do this. That's the whole point. The word lightly, again, does not exist in the ayah.
Thank you so much, Razan. Thank you. I don't know if anybody, I don't know if anyone wants to say something. Next customer, if Triple A can come up here and conduct himself, I am happy to have a debate. But you can see from the beginning, as soon as he heard a woman's voice, he started acting like a coward. Because if you were confident in your argument, you would let people make their point. You came up, you interrupted every single person, including myself, including the owner of the channel, MS Baba, including Razan. You interrupted. Come up, show us that you're a man, show us that your testicles has dropped. Because the way you're acting as if your basketballs are still hiding somewhere. Let them drop, be a man, rise up like a man, conduct yourself emotionally, and let's have a conversation. That's all I'm asking for. You've come up, you've called me sick. You said I'm sick because I'm an atheist. You've insulted me. Learn yourself, watch yourself. Because I promise the next insult, me and Razan, we are the biggest blasphemers on this app. Razan will put her foot far up your prophet's nyash. It will come out of his mouth. Enough is enough. Stop that bullshit.